So I've just picked up the new Meaco Dehumidifier. I think this is the Arete, which is the new model. So I thought I'll do a quick unboxing, and to save time, I have already cut open it. But as you can see, this is all new, but haven't been removed. So what you're getting is the user manual. Just have to throw it here. This is the plug. So and there you go. This is the dehumidifier. It's fairly heavy though, so I'm just trying to remove this. Right, it says there is a handle with one hand at either end. So it's saying that this is handle. And that's it. The packaging is fairly minimal, which is good. So I realized that I've shown you guys the handle on the wrong side. So it's actually not here, but if you put your hands here, you can see that this thing comes up. Perhaps if I show you here, you need to put two hands and then it comes up. So that allows you to take this anyway. So it comes with a HEPA filter which is installed, and it says to remove it before use. So it's got a wheel underneath there, so pretty good. Okay. So the filter is already installed, as you can see, but obviously you need to remove the plastic. Just put it back in. So this is a quick overview. So to remove this, slide this out, and there is a handle here. So that is the control panel. A few buttons here and there. I'll plug it in later on and show you guys how it functions basically. I'm going to cut to the chase and just remove this and run it for the first time. So as you can see, you can get this replacement filters according to Meaco website. Oh, okay, so it says included within it's a free HEPA filter, yada yada, and that, and warranty. This one has got a 5-year warranty, which is good, and that's the primary reason why I bought this. Just put this aside, and I'm just gonna put it in this way then. Slide it in. Make sure everything is in. It's okay now. So I'm gonna turn it up the very first time. Oh, it's got some coil whine. You could hear it. So I've got a small measuring device which says that the temperature is now 21.8 in the room and it's 66. Very interesting to see what the differences are in terms of humidity level between these two devices. I think this is right now on full power. Let's measure the unscientific way of measuring this. Not unscientific, but not calibrated. So let's see. So it's about 60 something, 63. I believe out of the box it's set at smart, where it runs continuously at 55% humidity level. So it will kick in when it's above 55 plus minus 3%. Right, let's see then. So it's now 10:55. Just now it started off at 67, I think, so it has already dropped 2%, which is very, very quick. I'll let it run and check back later on in, let's say, 15 minutes time, 30 minutes time, and see how well it performs. Right now there's nothing in here. We can check the amount of water it has collected in 15, 30 minutes time as well. So it is now 11:12, which is just over 15 minutes. You could see that the humidity level has dropped quite a lot. Now this small device is measuring 55 and it is measuring 61 degrees. So there is definitely, I don't know which one is more accurate, but just for your information there. And let's see. I'm not sure whether you can see the amount of water that has been, or whether there is any water that has been accumulated, but let me turn it off. Right. And let's see. I'm sure it has collected quite a lot because, from 70 something to 60 something. So it has managed to collect some water. You can probably hear. So I think the humidity percentage dropped from, I think more than 10. Can't remember, I have to check back the video, but within 15 minutes, I think that's quite impressive. So I must admit, it is quite loud though, running at full power. So right now, let's see. So I'm going to turn on the night mode and see how loud this is. And when I press night mode, as you can see, this display turns off, which is pretty good. Let's try the sound meter again. So it is now 52, as you can see. So if to exit night mode, Oh, to exit night mode, I have to press and hold instead of just press once. No. Let's see. Is it here? Night mode. Okay. Sorry. Yeah, to exit night mode, just press until that lights up. So it kicks in, as you can hear. So what I'm going to do right now is switch this off and go to my smart meter again to see the energy usage. So I have a smart device or smart meter. As you can see right now, the dehumidifier is running full blast upstairs, and you can see that the energy usage right now, it's 426 watt. Bear in mind, this is all the devices running in the house. Later on, I will turn it off and see, the differences between the two readings. So right now, the dehumidifier is turned off, and this is to show you what the current electric meter reading. So just to go over the specs of this Meaco Arete Dehumidifier, I think I didn't mention, but this is the 20-liter version, and the weight of this is 15 kilos, I think. And the reason why I bought this is because it's the latest one. But the other reason is the water tank for this is actually 4.8 liter, which is massive, which means that, you don't have to empty the water tank as frequent. And if you are and if you are near a water outlet, you can actually purchase a pump where you can install it and it will pump continuously. I don't intend to do that, but that's just an option for you. Hope you find this useful. So my initial impression is that this is very effective, and it draws water very quickly. I'm not sure whether, let's have a look. So that's just after half an hour of running in my bedroom. Quite impressive. Thank you for watching. Bye.